Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be tackling the boys' room. Prior to this being the boys' room, it used to be like a catch-all room. It was a hot mess. If I have a clip, I'll show that to you guys, but there was a lot of things inside this room that I kind of just shoved in the closet. I will admit that it was kind of like out of sight, out of mind, but we really wanted to focus on decluttering and getting rid of some of these things.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. And you got
Before I could even make it to the boys' closet, I had to kind of make sure I went through all these organizing bins. There was so many things tucked away that we forgot that we had. And it was also interesting to go through them and just kind of relive certain moments and stuff like that. But they were definitely not missed, so it was okay getting rid of them.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. And you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
All right, now that we're done with our stuff, let's move on to the boys' closet. I am only showing this to you guys because we're family, and I know you guys are not going to judge me. I understand. So yeah, it's a lot. That's kind of, the reason why we're kind of tackling it. But a lot of time, you can see there's duplicates of different clothes and stuff like that. Family members love to give us clothes, and sometimes I kind of already purchased some of the same items. So that's kind of where we get stuck with a load of clothes for the boys.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you. And you got me too.
So I got this cute little wooden car book holder, and I thought it was just the greatest idea to put some of the books that Michael have shown extra love to, that he can kind of read on his own. And let's just say he took the car for a ride and the wheel fell off after 3 days. So I'm still kind of trying to repair that.
Saving you. And you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
Alright, you guys, this is what the closet currently look like after trying to organize it. I have some organizing bin on top of the closet, like some of the toys that I rotate throughout the year, and some Christmas decoration that I use in the room and also the loft area upstairs. I do need to get a basket for those diapers right there. Make sure they're a little bit more organized, but I think I'm pretty happy with how it looks thus far. I'm always constantly trying to find new ways to organize and minimize some of the items that we have, because there is so much clothes that the kids have outgrown, and I just really need to take care of that. And this is what the room kind of look like right now. I did go ahead and like vacuum, sweep, all that good stuff, and clean the dresser, and also got rid of that trash. I kind of put trash in diaper boxes. That's kind of like my thing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you got some motivation off of this, and yeah. All right, you guys, I am tired. I think this is a good stopping point. I'm almost done. I gotta, wipe down a couple things. Yes, baby. Mama did a good job. She's done. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you want to be part of the family, go ahead and subscribe. We'll love to have you, and like this video. And until next time, you guys, can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, you guys.